Okay, so we are staying in room 11106A. This, guys, is a doorbell. So you take this. Oops, hold on. Mine moved. Turns green. Come in. Alright, guys.
Did you notice the curtains open when the doors open?
Yeah, the curtains open when the door open. Alright, so let's get started with the room tour. So when you first walk in, here's our bathroom. It's actually a nice size. The shower. And the shower door, guys, can swing in or swing out, but swinging in is a lot easier. You have a rainfall shower. Hi. And guys, if you go on any cruise, bring this, a poopery, so the room doesn't smell. It has 2 hooks on the back of the door. All right, you can shut it. You have this cute little area here. Put your bags, hang up your clothes.
I'll wash your clothes for you.
They'll even wash your clothes for you. You have plenty of storage. These are our pool towels. You have a safe. Plenty of storage, and of course I had to unpack. Jason couldn't believe that I had to unpack. You get 2 carafes of water. You can have ice delivered. You have hooks. You have a phone. You can purchase this. It's $25. It's a corkscrew. You have a little mini fridge. So if you wanted to bring something back up, you could. We ordered those. We ordered the drinks at 4 o'clock this morning. More. You have a desk for everything. A little mirror. You have your area that you can just sit in if chill. You have a full-length mirror. You have like some area here, a little table. The bed, and I'll tell you what, guys, the bed actually was a little bit more comfortable than it looks. I promise you. A nice throw. Jason said the throw is wonderful.
It's great.
Because
I didn't have no covers.
I hogged the covers. Okay. So to unlock it, you have to flip it out. Flip this up. Flip that up. Oh, it's hanging back down again, babe.
It's what?
Hanging back down again. And then that's the hammock swing. And it's great, except for if you're trying to rest in it and you get a little seasick, I recommend you don't do it. And that's pretty much the room tour.
got a Newcastle Brown Ale at the Draft House.
Hey guys, it's Charlotte. So I decided to change outfits for dinner. We're going to eat at Extra Virgin, and so I am on my way back to the room to change outfits because I'm walking around. There's like a whole bunch of people that are like really dressed up, and we're going to a really nice, it's an Italian restaurant. So I am here back in the room to get changed again, even though I just changed. Just into something a little bit more fancier in a way, but still look dressed up, but still be comfortable. So give me just a second. Hey guys, alright, so as you can see, I changed. I do not look homeless. I even have on nice shoes. We spent a couple, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes up on the deck, and I got some sun. I don't know if you can see my outfit. It's so cute. So this is my outfit. My outfit of the day.
Here in Extra Virgin, we have this authentic dessert, which is called affogato. Affogato means drowning. Okay, so it consists of 3 kinds of power gelato. We have the Gianduto, whiskey cream, and vanilla. Okay, so with the shots of espresso. And then for the toppings, we have this sambuca foam, pine nuts, meringue, and chocolate chips. So, vanilla. Yep. Okay.
Yeah, you're not an espresso person. You won't drink the espresso I make at home?
I used to drink it all the time when I was
Would you like a shot of espresso on that? Yep. Right?
You don't drink it at home.
I drank it all the time when I was in Cuba.
What? Don't let me Cuba, you weirdo. Yeah, okay.
Which toppings do you like?
Just chocolate chip.
Chocolate. There you go.
Did you order your drink already?
Yes. Here's your avocado.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, that looks good, babe.
I know it now. That's why I got it.
You can take a pic?
Oh, I thought you just said you did.
No, I'm videoing it. Here, I'll take a pic. When I got the raspberry rose.
How are you? Still want the